guys, in this video I'll be showcasing the open source trading bot I've been working on that's finally finished with the help of ChatGPT. The bot spaces uses concepts of arbitraging mempools and front-run leveraging popular decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. Put simply, the bot operates on the principle of sandwiching transactions. It analyzes mempools, which is essentially a waiting room for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. After reading the mempool, it picks certain transactions to specify higher gas prices than the initiated prices, allowing us to process our transaction first, then process a sell order right after. Meaning the pending transactions get sandwiched by ours, giving us profit in the slippage. If this sounds complicated, it's really not. I've been using this bot, fine-tuning and earning passive income for months. You don't need any coding experience whatsoever, since the code was pretty much entirely generated by artificial intelligence. Now, before we get started, I should warn you, the crypto landscape is riddled with scammers. Never send your seed phrase to anyone under any circumstances. Let's move over to the computer and get started. Okay, first make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed. MetaMask is essential for interacting on Web3. Now we will go to Remix. Remix is used for creating Solidity-based smart contracts. I'll put a link to Remix along with everything else you need in the description below. Only use links from my video description to ensure you're doing everything correctly. It may take some time for Remix to load. Patiently wait while everything loads in. Now move over to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the contracts folder. Name it bot.sol. In the description, I've linked the bot source code. This is open source. Feel free to verify the code yourself if you'd like. Copy the code and paste it into the file bot.sol you just created. This is our bot. Everything is already set by default. Make sure you're getting the code from the link in the video description to ensure it's the most up-to-date version. Before we compile our bot, make sure to read the quick user guide at the top. It's important to note, for the bot to function optimally, it's recommended to use a minimum deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. If you don't have 0.5 or more to use, the absolute minimum liquidity required is 0.2 ETH. Anything less than 0.2 ETH runs the risk of absolute losses. The larger the bot deposit, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increasing profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 Ethereum with a little bit extra to pay for gas fees, and you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Let's go over to the Solidity compiler tab now. On the very top of the code, you will see it's built with the 0.8.4 version of Solidity. Under compiler, select the 0.8.4 version so that it matches our contract. Also make sure the language is set to Solidity and EVM version is set to default. Click on compile bot.sol and wait for the bot to compile. Now, let's deploy this from our wallet. Head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Here, select Injected Provider as the environment. MetaMask will pop up. Just connect it. Everything looks good. Click Deploy. I always set gas fees to aggressive. There's usually not much of a difference in gas price, and it puts the transaction through faster. Let's wait for the transaction to confirm. Great. We can see here that it's confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Scroll down and click this. Now you can see the bot's control panel. These two are for more advanced users. Don't touch them unless you've used bots like this before. Start native will start the bot, enabling it to read mempools. Stop will stop the bot exiting mempools. Withdraw will withdraw the entire bot's balance back to your wallet. Debug can be useful if you run into issues. Let's copy the smart contract address with this button here and paste it into the Etherscan to make sure it's created. Yep, it was created successfully. Next, let's fund the contract. I'll copy the smart contract address once more and head over to MetaMask. Make sure you got the right address in there. Let's put in 1 Ethereum and set gas fees to aggressive again. Nice, transaction confirmed. Now the bot has Ethereum to work with. Let's double check our contract on Etherscan to make sure it's funded. Perfect. Now the last step is to click start. Let's set the gas fees to aggressive and click confirm. I'm going to let the bot run for a full day and review our results. Alright, it's been a little over a day. Let's refresh Etherscan and see what we're at. Unreal! It's over 2.2 Ethereum. That's 1.2 Ether gained in a single day. Now let's retrieve our bot's balance. Since the bot's already stopped, we can now click the withdraw button. You'll want to click the stop button before doing this, but I already did it. Let's click it. This will charge us a little bit of gas. I'll set it to aggressive again and click confirm. There we go, the transaction confirmed. Let's go to our MetaMask. Nice, as you can see the bot's balance is in my wallet. Keep in mind this is only after 24 hours. Some weeks I've made 20 Ethereum, sometimes less, sometimes more. The profits will fluctuate day to day. If you have any questions, I put my Telegram link in the description. Let me know what profits you get in the comments below. Seriously, drop a like and subscribe. I've been working on this for a long time and could have easily charged money for it. I'll keep working on this bot. Code links in the description will always be the most up-to-date version. Future plans will be layer 2 implementation and Binance Smart Chain compatibility. For now, turn post notification and give this a try. Stay safe, see you guys in the next one.